Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can convert text to speech totally free and without any software. So for that you first need to go to menu bar and type OneNote for Windows 10 and click on Open. Now guys, you just need to type all of your text here which you want to convert into speech. For example, I am going to convert this text in this video tutorial. I am going to show you how you can convert text to speech without any software and totally free. Now you need to click on this view icon and then click on this immersive reader. When you click on it, it will open a window. Here, you can see a play button. When you click on it, it will start reading your text. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can convert text to speech without any software and totally free. You can also change the voice speed and also the gender. But we also need to save this voice so that we can use it in our videos or for any other purpose. For that, click on menu bar and type sound setting. Now, from input devices you need to change it to stereo mix, so that we can capture the sound of the system. If you cannot find stereo mix from menu, you can go to the Manage Sound Devices. Choose stereo mix from here if it's disabled. Now for the final step, you need to open Sound Recorder. Once Sound Recorder will open, click on Start Recording. Now, again go to the OneNote for Windows 10 and click on Immersive Reader. Now the voice is being recorded which you can use it for further purpose. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can convert text to speech without any software and totally free. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can convert text to speech without any software and totally free. You can see the recorded MP3 on the recording folder of Voice Recorder and can use it for videos voiceover and for any other use.